Mabuhay! My name is Joyce, your tour guide for today. Are you all excited, my dear tourists? Alright, so welcome to the province of Ilocos Sur, situated on the western coast of the Philippines, huge island of Luzon. Vigan is the capital city of Ilocos Sur. It is also easily accessible for both domestic and foreign tourists, being just 408 kilometers from Manila, and additionally, it is 139 kilometers from San Fernando, La Union, and 80 kilometers from Lawag City. Vigan has traditionally been a significant commercial station and cultural center in the area due to its advantageous coastal position. Okay, so welcome to Ilocos' culinary adventure, where every dish narrates a story rooted in lively culture and rich history. In addition to its historical significance and breathtaking scenery, this province is known for its wide variety of unique culinary traditions that capture the essence of Ilocano identity. Okay, tourists, are you prepared for our first food trip? Okay, so guess what is this famous treat? A glutinous rice flour with a coconut milk, a sugar, and strips of coconut meat are combined to create this delicious dessert. Presenting to you the Tinumbong, the town in Ilocos Sur that is famous for producing the famous Tinumbong. It is known for Tinumbong capital in the area of Magsingal, Ilocos Sur. It is known for its expertly prepared traditional delicacy. Wigan is around 14 kilometers apart by car from Magsingal. A sweet rice cake that is baked over charcoal while enclosed in bamboo tubes. Tinubong is a popular delicacy among both residents and tourists because of its unusual flavor and texture, which are attributed for its cooking process and usage of bamboo. As we explore local cuisine, prepare to indulge on iconic dishes as the Bigan Longanisa located in the barangay Kapampangan. This establishment is well known for its handmade longanisa. The tiny plump of local sausage known as vegan longanisa entices the senses with its mouth-watering scent and vibrant taste. When you bite into its golden brown treat, the crisp outside will give way to a juicy inside that is flavored with the rich flavor of garlic and touch of sharpness from the local cane vinegar. The delicate sweetness of brown sugar and the warm spices like black pepper perfectly match the savor richness that explodes in every bite. Over the years, the tradition of preparing vegan longanisa has been preserved and honored, particularly in Vegan City, where the residents take great delight in it. Okay, tourists, as we proceed with our culinary exploration of Vegan City, the next food stop is the famous vegan bagnet, a genuine gastronomic treasure that you just must not miss. Imagine a slab of pork belly that has been delicately cooked to the ultimate level of softness and then magically deep fried to a golden brown bliss. The outside crunches off irresistibly when you take your first bite, revealing rich, delicious flesh that melts in your lips. Imagine the crispy skin shimmering in the sunlight, enticing you to the taste to its deep flavor. With undertones of pepper and garlic, each dish is expertly seasoned to bring forth its inherent delicious flavor. Bagnet is typically served with a side of spicy vinegar or bagoong. The fermented shrimp paste provides a delicious mix of taste and textures that are simultaneously salty, crunchy, and somewhat sour. Okay, so our next food destination is the Irene's Vegan Empanada, which is situated in Vegas historic Calle Crisologo. Here you can sample the famous Ilocos empanada. Imagine a rice flour-based annatto seed-colored handheld pastry with a brilliant orange crust that has distinctive color and has a hint of nutty flavor. The crispy outside crackles deliciously as you bite into it, revealing a warm center that mixes the savory richness of ground vegan longanisa shredded with green papaya and a whole egg. As you enjoy the crispy shell and the soft savory inside, visualize the contrast of textures. The papaya provides a delicate sweetness that counterbalances the richness of the egg, while the longanisa fills every bite with its garlicky aroma. This empanada is traditionally deep fried to perfection and best consumed hot, frequently with a zesty Ilocos vinegar dip that adds flavor and a burst of spice. Now that our lovely vegan empanada experience is over, it's time to embark on our next gastronomic journey. Our next destination is the Vegan City, where we will be savoring the famous Sinanglao, the traditional Filipino known as Sinanglao or Sinanglao is especially well known in vegan Ilocos. The main ingredient in this filling meal is beef insides such as liver, intestines, and gastrointestinal tract, which are boiled to produce a savory and thick broth. This soup's distinctive sourceness, which distinguishes it from other similar meals like papaitan, comes from the use of kamyas or a sour balimbi fruit and frequently cattle bite. Okay, my dear tourists, are you excited to enjoy this famous and authentic treat good for pasalubong here in Ilocos Sur? Okay, so presenting to you the traditional rice cake, the Marcia's Bibingka. Marcia's Bibingka is a wonderful delicacy that entices the senses with its rich, creamy texture and delicately sweet flavor. Imagine a golden brown cake that has been baked just so to have a crispy edge and still be soft and moist in the inside. It's frequently topped with grated coconut or cheese for a fun contrast. It is more than simply a dessert. It is a treasure component of the local culinary legacy, with each mouthful offering a warm, soothing flavor that captures the sense of home-cooked sweetness. Marcia's bibingka, which come from individual molds, are ideal for sharing or as the leftover memento to bring home, letting you continue to our enjoying Ilocos taste after a long trip is over. Moving on to the next food trip journey, presenting to you the famous Dineng Deng. It is especially well liked in Bantay, Ilocos Sur, a mainstay in Ilocano homes. This filling vegetable stew is praised for its simplicity and depth of flavor. Inabrao, another name for dinengdeng, is a colorful and filling Ilocano cuisine that combines a variety of fresh vegetables cooked in a flavor broth enhanced with bagoong or the fermented fish sauce. Picture a vibrant bowl of luscious eggplant, crisp string beans, and soft squash, all drenched in a fragrant broth that embodies the comforting taste of home cooking. Brown fried fish is a pleasant experience that captures the agricultural abundance of the Ilocos area. A filling and truly traditional super is produced by combining the freshness of the veggies with the umami-rich broth. We must acknowledge the rich historical and cultural importance of the well-known calamay, an authentic delicacy from Candon City, Ilocos Sur. From Bantay to Candon City, it is approximately 43.9 kilometers and it takes 56 minutes to drive from Bantay to Candon City, which is about 60 kilometers away. Before we wrap up our look to it, let me just describe you to you what is calamay. So calamay is a sticky rice cake made with glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, and a brown sugar. It has a smooth, chewy texture and a rich, sweet flavor. It is wrapped in a square plastic thing wherein it is traditionally wrapped in banana leaves. This treat is not only demonstrates the ingenuity of the locals, but also symbolizes the Candon's cultural heritage, making it is a treasured pasalubong or a memory that ties people to their heritage. It was first made by six elderly women who used the ingredients that were available to them creatively after World War II. Today, it is celebrated as Candon's one town, one product, and has become well known far beyond its origins, frequently being enjoyed as a cherished pasalubong by both local and tourists. The art of calamay creating has been handed down and through the years, and guaranteeing that this delicious treat will always be a treasured representation of Ilocanos culture. Okay, tourists, thank you for joining our virtual tour of Ilocosur. We hope you and I hope you enjoy your exploring in rich history, vibrant culture, and encouraging you to plan a visit soon to experience it all in person.